Hello, welcome. This is my house. This is my front yard. It's my plants on the front yard. Then this is the gate, my gate. By the way, this is Ward Farming Nanilla, Cebu, Philippines. In here, it is the pathways going through the backyard. Let's go. Let's go. This is my neighbor. This is my neighbor. And it's a very creepy backyard. And this is my backyard. Not clean. It's not cleaned well anyway. Not clean, not very clean. Let's go. Go to the surface area. Let's go to the path. We're going to garage and service area. That is my garage, and my grandfather is well, dude, that is my service area. Well, that is I don't know with that. I don't know with that. Don't know with that one. This is all what I got. That's all what I got. Got. And that is my home. Goodbye. Bye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Goodbye. 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 Wait a second, I'm gonna